is Najwa Auliya Liyanda and my student number is 12420800053. And today I would like to present a summary of a research article in chemistry education. The title of the article is Developing Problem-Based Learning Models on Petroleum Materials in Chemistry Learnings. This article written by Fauziah Ahmad, Murtihapsari, and Yunita Pare Rombe and published in Journal Tadris Kimia, Volume 8, Number 1 on June 2023. The purpose of this presentation is to explain the key point of the articles, including the background, research, method, finding, and conclusions. The study addresses the problem of students lacking interest in reading chemistry textbooks and facing difficulties in understanding chemistry concepts. This issue is partly due to the complexity and innovations of learning chemistry, which make it hard for students to engage with the chemistry concepts. According to the authors, previous students have shown that teaching materials don't effectively address student learning problems, leading to a lack of motivations and understanding in chemistry classes. This makes it important to have better educational resources that are tailored to each student need. The main research question is, how can we create and test if a problem-based learning for petroleum materials is good and useful? The purpose of the research is to create and test learning models about petroleums and use a problem-based learning style for these models. And the main goal is to help students to understanding chemistry ideas related to petroleums and make sure the learning materials are fun and easy to connect with their daily life. In the method sections of the study, the researchers used a mixed method approach and combining several methods to achieve the desired goal. The participants in the study were 22 people from grade 11 science and 2 expert validators, which include a chemistry educational lecturers and a chemistry subject teachers. Data were collected using student response questionnaires, observations, and interview. The procedures involved several steps. First, the researchers figure out what students needed by observations and interview. Then they design and build the PBL modules. And finally, they test with students to get their thoughts. The whole point was to make sure the module was worked well and was helpful for students to learn. This lesson really worked well and easy to use to help students better understand tricky ideas, because they use the example from our own area that make learning more relatable. The authors discovered that the problem-based learning is effective and useful for teaching. Experts in media gave it a high score of 72.57%. The students have it was even better, giving it 91.47%. In the discussions, the researchers explained that the high validation scores that got mean module is very good and work well, even better than studies found before. In conclusion, the study that the problem-based learning module designs for chemistry, especially for teaching about petroleum. The authors highlight the importance of create interesting and useful chemistry materials. They also like topic like petroleums. They also suggested adding understanding the example to make learning more relatable for students. This research contributes to chemistry education by giving us to organize, fun, and a relevant teaching that can make the learning way better. To summarize, this article provides insights on how to convey and chemistry concept in an easy and practical way. These studies successfully create problem-based learning lessons specifically for petroleum materials. Finding can be applied for the high school student. Thank you very much for your kind attention, and I hope this presentation was informative. Be smart. Bye.